Hello guys and welcome back. So for today we are going to speak again about the Erbauer work light. I already done a video for this light. It was a 20 watt and a 30 watt light. But today we are going to have the 40 watt one. I just bought this one and I'm just going to present it to you. Doesn't have nothing more than the other two, but there is a little bit more powerful. This one has 3200 lumens. Of course, if we are going to press once, it's going to go full power on. If we are going to press again, it's going to go halfway. That means we are going to save some battery. Now, a full charge is going to go around 3 hours, and if we are going to go halfway with the light, it's going to go double, so around 6 hours. Of course, at the back here you can find the tripod mount or the monopod mount. Same, I have a monopod here. You can see the light. Now I will just switch it off and you can see a little bit the difference. Now this 20 watts, sometimes I'm using it for my studio to make my videos around here. I have other lights, but these are handy because you can switch them and go with them up and down. Yes, I was saying tripod mount here at the back. You have even two holes here that you can put them, hang them on a wall. If you are going to put some screws on the wall, you can just hang them, and then you have the brackets that you can also hang on top of a door. So I don't know if you can see that. Okay. Yes, of course you have the panel here at the front. You can close it down. That is going to keep it safe. In case you are just going to throw it around, it's going to be safe, so it's not going to get damaged. So at this point we just have to go outside. It's very dark outside now, it's very late, and we just have to do a test between these three lamps and see which one is going to suit you in the work that you are doing. Or maybe you are just going to go fishing. In that case, it's going to do a great job even for that. So let's just go outside and do this test.
Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect.
Okay guys, so our test is finishing here. If I'm correct, I will have a subscribe button right around here, or maybe here, someplace. It's just a circle, just press and subscribe. And of course, see you on the next one. Bye. Subscribe. Subscribe. Ooh, subscribe.